Hadian ka jing up kami lenti la da ki hinyau ni prasnem na ka banta ban pen urlong ban pleno ya kawi na ki jaka sumar ka bashis pa jintia ha CHC Maukurwat menta ka singi u menteri rang ba ka jela u Conrad ke sangma ula ajing kermen shiki pai ba jong ka Southwest ka Hill District bashen on sayo ban pleno ya ka ni ka jaka sumar ka banlong ka jing rap na ka banta ki pai ba ha ka liang ka koi ka khia habakren hagilat pathai kubor bakat hadu menta nak liang jong ke sorkar harangkat ke jinge trelang bat u MLA ka thany u ba renik ton leng do tongkar kiladon ki jingtmu ban pen urlong no ya ke jingkwa jong ki pai ba namar menta ke jingmang na ke benta ki kam hapo jong ke ni ka jaka sumaru kala nang ya chakhaman bat kermen ru bahaki ni gisngi banwan on sala ban pendep bat pentre kam ha ka bai dei bat kasurok ne ke intermediate road ya ka baladep ban kular u Conrad ke sangma ulapan sngau ba halo ke ne ladep ban mang pisa hadu arpusan klur tengka ban sedang no na ka benta ka banungkong ne ka phase 1 kata na mau plang weiloi bat na ka benta ka baar ne ka second phase on sedang na weiloi mau kurwat bat weiloi mau senram bat lengba ke ne ke jingmang na ka liang jong ki pai ba kin sayo jingmun toy shibun
Almost in the process of sanctioning the post. So as soon as that is done, I think it's almost through. I don't know the exact status of it, but as soon as we do all of that, we would like to open it and make it functional. So though the building and everything is ready, the Honourable MLA, who's also Minister, has said that we need to ensure that not just inauguration, it should be operational itself also. So we're just going to ensure that as soon as all the paperwork for all the sanctioned posts are also done, so we'll inaugurate and operationalize the same.
okay what road
So therefore we have sanctioned 25 crores new road. It will be intermediate road up to Veloy in the first phase, and so from Moplang to Veloy will be first, and then after that in the second phase we will take up the remaining part from Veloy to Maukurwat and Veloy to Moksogram. So in the first phase it's 25 crores for Moplang to Veloy, which has been sanctioned. I hope that maybe in a month's time the tender will be out for it.